growers. Steven with Team Grobo. Thanks for joining me for another video. It's getting close to Easter, and one of my favorite things at Easter time is Cadbury cream eggs. Let's check out how to put some cannabis in them and make some Easter treats. To begin, we need to melt the chocolate down. I'm using a double boiler method here in the studio. Think of it as a hot water bath. I also use a heat gun, as we have one and we want to speed up the process. You can even use a microwave to speed up this process if you have one. I'm using 8 eggs here, or 280 grams of chocolate. The melting process can take, 20 to 30 minutes. We sped ours up. You also notice that I'm heating the oil. This is a fresh batch that we made, and it still contains some isopropyl. So heat it up until you see the bubbles stop. Then you know the iso is completely removed and it's safe to use. Okay, we melted, we stirred, and we melted some more. It's time to add our cannabis oil. I'm calling this a healthy teaspoon, or just over 4 grams of cannabis oil. Fine's probably closer to 5. Then I'm quickly adding our mixture to a variety of molds, then into the freezer to harden, ready to eat tomorrow. So here's our conclusion. You can see that we've got some beautiful little Easter treats here for us. And we've got a whole bunch of them still in our molds. Well, why? What happened? Well, we made a big mistake. We did not, and when I say we, I mean I, did not temper the chocolate. And so what is tempering chocolate? So chocolate is very difficult to work with. You usually can't just melt it and throw cannabis oil into it. It needs to be at temper. So chocolate is made up of cocoa butter, which has different fatty acids in it, and they all harden at different temperatures. So to ensure that the chocolate will harden properly, you really have to be in temper with your chocolate. And we were not. So we poured right into molds, threw them in the freezer, and these will be fine for efficacy or for potency or strength. We'll be able to eat these. They're more of a liquid treat though. Probably scrape them into some ice cream, into a hot chocolate, Easter sundae perhaps. So hard to give to friends. We would do this a little differently next time. You can seed your chocolate to temper it. And what seeding is shaving some fresh chocolate into that melted chocolate to try to achieve that perfect 104 degrees Fahrenheit. That's where you'll find the sweet spot for tempering chocolate. So enjoy your Easter treats, liquid or solid, and be safe this holiday season. Hey growers, thanks for checking out our video. Don't forget to toke that like button, ring the bell for notifications, and we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Come get disco ball with us.